Bros, well done. No? You dey find person?
No, I'm not looking for someone. Do you know any mechanic around this area?
Mechanic? Yes, I sabi person mechanic.
Oh, okay. Please, can you help me call the guy? I need him to check my car. Please.
Okay.
Yeah. Please, can you hurry up a bit?
Bros, no rush me now. Nah. The car I won't call like this.
Yeah, I have a very important meeting. Please.
No worry.
When I say Sonia, you say Sam. When I say Maurice, you say Uche. These two people don't come again. No, my country people how on a day. You see, I'm a girl Cindy. I don't carry another Bengal movie come for another month again. No, now see they do and for my page. No, don't moment at all. As no neko come na so I dey carry con give on now. So this is Sonia Uche and Maurice Sam movie again. If the two are not your favorite, I beg scroll down. You see other interesting videos of me where they do and me body chook my eyes and mouth for it no concern me, but this particular one is all about my two babies, so make I play, make una watch.
Rosin, they come. Calm down now.
I need to go. I have a very important meeting this morning.
They come. I will just stay with you till they come before I come out, because this area like this, forget all these things, you know, too good. 4 boys will come carry you now. Oh, they chop.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
No wala.
Well, thank you so much. I mean, I don't even know how safe the area is. I would have left.
You know, safe. Forget all these things. You know, safe. When they come.
Thank you.
No wala.
My name is Desmond, by the way.
Bro, the talk never reach introduction. Your car still spoil. You don't introduce yourself. Wait first. Yeah.
I got this one. Now your car come fix.
No, it's your car you came to fix. I thought you said you were unavailable.
I got this one. See, that's the way you call me, I be not available. When they want me, call. Want me.
And I sabi myself. Leave argument, come do the car. Bros, you know they rush again.
Wetin man do man for this life? A man called you, you were busy, but immediately a woman call you, no they busy again. This movie you got like but now that's what they do. Make I stop to the talk, make una continue.
You guys sabi work for me. Sabi work.
Only you now sugar. Only you now sugar.
Boss, could you be fast about this and you guys can do this later, please.
Sabi work. Calm down. That's what you tell me, Shabomi. I know.
How do you know about all of these things?
Bros, this one in my area now. I know no. I tell you. I tell you saying sabi work. The guys sabi work very well. KK. Don't do the car now.
One minute. I got this one over I beg. I don't finish the work. But get what I notice. The thing they short oil. So as it be like this now, you can't go where you won't go. When you finish, you come back. During the weekend, I will just seal and finally.
Okay. You can come and pick it up this weekend.
Okay, nice one. Sugar.
How you doing?
We need to see your. You don't start.
Okay.
1 minute. After na for bank,
no wala, we'll go see later.
Thank you so much for the company.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
No wala, man, just go.
This is for you.
Hey, bro, so the next money?
Yes.
Thank you. I now go where? And they go somewhere before you come. Somebody just they go where they go.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See money, you. No, I need to do that kind of thing, I beg. Carry your money, they go.
Hey! Are you okay?
This bros.
Hi, how are you?
Adele, how you doing?
I'm good.
Well done.
Thank you.
Hope they cannot worry you again.
No, not at all.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah, are you going my way?
It depends on where you dey go now.
Well, I'm going to my office, which is not too far from here. So.
Oh yeah, now drop me for that, Josh.
Okay, come here.
Thank you.
Make I rush now to YouTube, make me self watch, cause I never watch am. As I see this one, I say make I first of all bring am to headquarter before I head over to Uche Uche. So guys, if you're interested, follow me. Let's go and watch this one.